Thank y'all for clicking another upload. We just got done racing here at Skyline Speedway for night one of Rumble on the Ridge. We're going to do some work on this car, so I hope y'all enjoy it. And we're going to get some stuff done tonight, and then tomorrow morning we're going to come back and get it finished up. It is 3 o'clock in the morning, and we're going to get some stuff done so we can go home, get some sleep, get it in the trailer, get this mess cleaned up, and then we're going to come back tomorrow and do night 2 of Rumble on the Ridge. So let's get this door beat out, get the door bar fixed, and get the nose of it fixed. Laymo's in the trailer, Chad's in the trailer. I just put mine in the trailer. We got to finish loading some stuff up. We're going to finish these tomorrow. They're still racing tonight. They're finishing the street stocks up, and then they got the sport mods to go yet. But we've been just working on ours. If you want to watch our features and everything, get back to the last video. But yeah, so we're going to head to finish picking this stuff up. We're going to head to the house, and I'll catch up with y'all in the morning. Trailer's unhooked. We're heading out. Finished the last feature at 351, and we're heading home. So peace out, Skyline. I'll see you in a couple hours. Back out the track on Saturday, get the cars ready to go. Chad's over here getting the front end put back on the late model. So, getting all that on here. He got a new bumper put on it. So he's getting all that done. We got to weld our door bar up on ours. Get it all cleaned up. We got to do the front suspension on it yet. And get all that done. But got welded crack up on that, and then everything else won't be too bad. idea though.
Should have drove myself. I could have made a trip back to the house and got ice.
Huh?
So I should have drove myself. I could have made a trip for ice and pop up.
I wasn't hooked up, you could have. Door bar is all welded back in. Not too bad for not wanting to run off the generator, but and whatever that cost at Harbor Freight. So getting that. The wife's up here cleaning the counter off. That is a mess. Getting that all clean. Got the fan on, running a heat wave today. But Chad's about got the front end of his put back together. Got big fender flares and stuff like that on it. So, he's getting there slowly on his. We're about halfway with this one. So we're gonna get her finished up though. Got it up on the stand, the door's all back on. All suspensions, maintenance, all that's done and taken care of. So I got the nose finished up on the late model. So that's all done. Now he's got to pull the modified out and do it. This is what the track looks like right now. We start in a few hours. They put some water on it. But we're gonna call this one a video. If you guys haven't already, get in there and hit that subscribe button. Let us know what you think, and be on the lookout for the tonight's racing video.